Hello, so for my 3PH words, the activities for them, I will be teaching a lesson to a first grade class. And to start out with that, let's do the phonemic, or it should be the phonological awareness. So for that, I'm going to say a sentence to the first graders here, to all you first graders, and let's identify what words rhyme out of these. So I am in the pumpkin patch, so I can make a batch of pumpkin cookies. So out of that, I'm just going to say it one more time, but what words here rhyme? It is in the pumpkin patch, so I can make a batch of pumpkin cookies. So now for phonemic awareness, let's identify which words end in the same sounds with batch and match. What words are they that identify that? The batch and match. Can you tell me what letters make that sound? The match, batch, the last letters of each one of those words. Now for our last one, which is with this, where the students have to see it can't be done with your eyes closed. They need to see it. I'm going to have them write out the sentence that I initially said to work on their spelling and the concept of those words. So, in the pumpkin patch, so I can make a batch of pumpkin cookies. Um, when they write that out, students, when you write that out, the spelling is what you can use to identify the words and put it in, not only hear it but also see it as well.